click on the photo that you want to crop. At the very top, click on the cropping symbol. Now you have some options to crop this photo how you want to crop it. So you can click on Smart Crop. This will give a suggestion on what's the best way to crop this photo by getting rid of the wasted, unnecessary space. You can drag this around and click Done if you're okay with this. If you're not, you can simply go back and undo. You can change the aspect ratio of the cropping size. So you can leave this a 1:1, 16:9, a 9:16, and so on and so forth. You can also rotate the photo itself. So you can drag this to the left or right, or you can type in whatever number you wish to crop it into. Click Done when you're satisfied with the result. One more feature, and this is only for pro users. As you can see, we have the expand option here. So this will allow you to expand a photo to either a 1:1 ratio, a whole page, or freeform. So if your photo is only this size, you can expand it automatically to the whole page, and Canva will do that automatically for you. So let's say I want to expand this to the whole page. I click Expand. So now Canva will analyze the photo and it will give you back full results in terms of how to best expand the photo. So on the left-hand side, you can see Canva gives you back 4 different options to expand this photo to the whole page. And as you can see, it covers the whole page now. And if you do not like the results, you can simply click Generate New Results. And Canva will automatically generate 4 new results for you. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.